Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Charles Schwab account with the OnePay app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use your Charles Schwab account to fund your OnePay app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to the OnePay app. Next, click on the account name on the upper right-hand corner. Then click on Account, then click on Linked Accounts, then click on Link Bank Account, and then on this page here, you're going to click on Get Started. Then click on Continue as Guest, and then scroll down till you find your Charles Schwab icon. Click on Charles Schwab, then it's going to prompt you to log into your Charles Schwab account, where you can select which boxes you want to connect to OnePay. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Charles Schwab account with OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.